Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you on how you can have your click track going just to your headphone while your audience is just listening to the main track without the click using the Roland TD-27 sound module. And this works exactly like the Roland SPD-SX. Okay, before loading your main track and your click track to the SD card, make sure you rename the file on your computer and follow these steps. Specify song title name plus underscore click as the name of the audio file that you want to play as the click track. This is very important. And right after that, you can save the song audio file and the click track audio file in the top directory of the SD card. Insert the card to the TD-27 sound module. Press song button. And from there, press the F1 button and select SD card. And make sure you see your main track and your click track here. For this example, mine.wave is my main track and mine underscore click.wave is my click track. From there, go back to your main track and then press the F5 button to turn on your click. And now you have already have your click track and your main track playing together. Here's how you can have the click track going just to your headphone. From here, press the exit button, press the system button, use the dial knob to choose output, press enter, press the F3 button which says other master, and from here use the cursor to choose click. And if I press play now, you can hear the click track and use the dial knob to route the click just to your headphone. And in this way, you will have the click going just to your headphone. Hope this helps and see you on my next video. Thank you.